We're gonna do a quick little video on how to clean, disassemble and reassemble a Philips Norelco. First of all, unplug it. If it's electric, you can just pull this right back out. This one's got the on and off switch here. Cover, just take it off. This right here, make sure you're doing this over a trash can, a clean trash can, because sometimes parts do fall. Anyway, right here is a little button that you can push and that'll flip open. All of your shavings will collect in here. They will collect quickly, believe me. Okay, here's your little spinning jobs that will spin the heads. This right here holds in your heads. Just turn it, pull that out. That's keyed. Okay, so it can only go one way. They have them now to where the heads are even keyed. See the little notches? See that little notch? There's a little notch right here, little notch right here. That fits inside here in a specific way, like that. This one, like this one, and of course the one over on that side is going to be like, it's going to be at that angle. Okay, when you pull these out, they're going to be really, really dusty from all the shavings. Either this brush, long, or that one, or this one. I like this one because sometimes it gets really stuck in here. If you use electric shave, like Williams's electric shave, something like that, on your beard, it's going to be moist and it's going to all collect inside here, and just go along the outsides really, really hard, really good on the outside. Now then, pop it out. Sometimes it may take a little while, especially if there's a lot of stuff is caked in there. This will be caked with shavings also. Just brush this off really good, especially the blades, both sides. On the inside, you're going to have a lot of shavings. Just go through them. I like to go along the inside because there's also going to be some dermis buildup. Okay, some dermis buildup on inside there. Take that off, clean that off really good. Well, do it on each one of these. You know, just take them all out, take them apart, put them, and then when you get ready to put them back in, like I said, they're keyed. Put them in there. While you have it out, while you have them apart, you will want to get down inside here and clean that out really well as well. I usually take them out and lay them out in an order, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I like to mix them up as if that's really going to make any difference. It might, I don't know. It's like rotating tires, if you know what I mean. So anyway, when you put them back in, it's only once you get them down in there and seated really well. This will only go in one way. You put it in, lock it in place. They'll stay in. See? They're staying in place. Down inside here, you've got all these little receptacle, where you got the little stems of the little parts that spin around to spin the heads around. Get down in there and get them all good and clean anywhere. Oh, let me show you this too. I have to take them all out here real quick so I can show you. I don't know if you can see this or not. Yeah, there you can. This, for the floating heads, right inside here is an opening. Make sure you get in there with the brush and clean those out really well too, besides everything else. And also too, if you push down in the middle, it pops out the sides, and clean those as well. You know, I already cleaned this once and you can't tell it. But anyway, you clean those as well. Spinning it out, yeah. If you have some canned air, I'd highly recommend keeping some canned air, like you use for computers and stuff, or other applications. And at the very, you might want to go ahead and use some canned air if you really, really want to go crazy with it. And see the little notches once again? See the little notches? They all fit in there really well, and they seat. You'll feel them seat, and they'll sit in there just right. Once again, just get that over top of get the little circles. That's what I do. Try to get the little circles over the right places, over the heads. And also too, there's the little notches where where this piece, there's little notches here, notch here, and here. The little circle pieces go over top of the heads. Push it down a little bit, make sure it's seated, and then turn it to the right. It's locked in place. All nice and neat. Put the cover back on, keep dust off, I guess. And then take it back, plug it in. You're done. All right. Like I said, highly recommend doing it over a clean little trash bag, trash can, or whatever, because sometimes you'll be working on something and something will inevitably fall into the trash can. I like to fly them without a net. I'll clean this over a empty toilet bowl sometimes. Oh, confession's good for the soul. Anyway, there you have it. Any kind of Philips with 3-head floating head. That's how you open it up, how you clean it up, put it back together, and it'll last a lot longer. Y'all have a great one. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you wanna, or at least give me a like button, okay?